Welcome you all for our history online class. Students, in the previous period we have already started our civics chapter Constitution of India. In that today we learn about fundamental rights. There are 6 fundamental rights: right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, right to constitutional remedies. Right to equality. Equality before law. Equal protection of laws. It means what? Whether anyone belongs from any caste or any creeds, or male or female, or rich or poor, law is equal for them. Prohibition of discrimination on a grounds of religion, sex, or a place of a birth, equal access to shops, hotels, wells, tanks, bathing ghats, roads, etc. Equality of opportunity in public employment, abolition of untouchability, and abolition of titles. Right to freedom. Protection of right to freedom of speech and expression, assemble peacefully, form associations, unions, move freely throughout the territory of India. It means what? If any citizen of India want to settle in other state, he can settle there. Practice any profession or to carry on any occupation, trade or businesses. Protection in respect of conviction for offences, right to life and a personal liberty, right to education. Right against exploitation, prohibition of traffic in human beings and forced labor, prohibition of employment of children in hazardous jobs. Hazardous means dangerous. Right to freedom of religion, freedom of conscience and a free profession, practice and a propagation of religion. Freedom to manage religious affairs. Freedom to pay taxes for promotion of any particular religion. Freedom to attend religious instruction or worship in a certain educational institutions. Cultural and educational rights. Protection of language, culture of minorities, right of minorities to establish educational institutions. Rights to constitutional remedies. Right to move the courts to issue directions, orders, rights for enforcement of rights. Dear students, just now we have taken information about our 6 fundamental rights which are given in your textbook. Now I am going to tell you about our 7th fundamental right. What is the 7th fundamental right? The 7th fundamental rights, right to property, contained in Article 31 of the Indian Constitution. It was abolished by the Constitution through the 44th Amendment Act 1978 with effect from 20th June 1979. Student, this is your homework. Which fundamental right you like most? Give reason. You have to write this question in your notebook properly. Thank you.